Over there, right there, it's leaking. I tightened up the last time and it's done, and then I refilled it again.
You have to change the sensor first.
Okay.
If still leaking, then you have to change the tank.
What do you mean? What is your recommendation?
I say you have to change the sensor first. Sensor is cheap.
Oh, replace the sensor?
Yeah.
Okay.
If still leaking, then you have to use this one.
Replace this?
Yeah.
Why are you replacing this?
The wear out inside.
Oh, it's something. How much is this?
I'm not sure.
Doon dyan malalaman.
We're not gonna put all the way. They just drip all the time? They just drop all the time? Or
Yes. This one. I went to ask your friend in there.
I'll see.
Yeah. This one here. Over there, right there, it's leaking. I tightened up the last time and it's done, and then if I refilled it again and then it's leaking. I checked because I see it, right?
You have to change the sensor first.
Okay.
If still leaking, then you have to change the tank.
What do you mean? What is your recommendation?
I say you have to change the sensor first. Sensor is cheap.
Oh, replace the sensor?
Yeah.
Okay.
If still leaking, then you have to use this one.
Replace this?
Yeah.
Why are you replacing this?
The wear out inside.
Oh, it's something. How much is this?
I'm not sure. Maybe around $400 something.
Oh, we will see first the. So you cannot. So if you replace this, what are you going to do? You gonna remove the, or you throw it out?
Second?
So if you replace this, right?
Sensor.
Yeah. So this one, the coolant is drifting. What are you going to do? Are you going to put something, or?
Yeah.
Oh, cause I already have one experience. Cause I have something happen in my truck, and then what they do is just let it drift, and then I have to buy again a new one. Are you going to do something like that?
I'm not. I can't say like that. I don't know.
Oh no, what I mean is, so since there's a coolant inside, right? This is still usable, right?
Yeah.
So if you remove this, of course the coolant will going down.
No, I can put a port in there. I can put the port in.
Oh, you're gonna put or something in there. Okay, to know, so that it will go in there. Yeah, that's the only thing that I'm asking, because the last time they did it, they remove it, they let it dry, and then they refill it again. I have to buy again, I pay again a coolant. You know how much coolant? It's too expensive, $20 per gallon. So
Yeah.
okay, we will. You gonna come and replace the thing?
Yeah.
Okay, you gonna get your things here?
No, you have to bring it over there.
Oh, right now?
All right now.
Let me know.
Yeah.
Oh, cause I'm only here.
You all day here?
No, until 4 p.m. in the
4 p.m.
afternoon. Okay, come and get me. Okay, thank you. Okay. Ayan guys, may paliwanag ko lahat. Ngayon, tumutulo pa rin guys. Hindi. Sabi niya sensor. Palitan daw yung sensor kasi mura lang daw yun. Nasa, ano yung sinabi? Nasa, wala pang $100. Ano? Lumalakas yung kanyang drifting. Hindi ko na pwedeng pakialaman yan. Kung sakali man sensor ang kasi sensor ito eh. Kung problema, palitan nila. And then kung tumutulo pa rin, sabi niya, baka ito daw. Tignan muna natin ang sensor. At kung may tulo pa rin yan, baka ito siguro. Oh. Kasi kung sakali man, Pero ang alam ko, something in here lang eh. Okay. Pero antayin lang natin. Pero at least kahit paano na ipaliwanag ko sa kanya na baka mamaya pagka tinanggal nyo o ano, kasi siyempre tutulo yung coolant ko dyan. At ito, itatapon. Ay po, hindi pwede yun. Dalhin ko na lang sa torque yan. Kausapin ko yung mekaniko doon. Siyang mahal ng coolant eh. Ang isang galon nasa sa US yung binili natin 19 eh, plus tax pa, US pa yun. Eh kung convert mo yun sa Canada, pumapalo na yun ng ano guys, napalo na yun ng 30. Wow! Isang galon. Hintayin ko lang. Pupuntahan daw nila ako dito eh. Alright guys, tinawag na tayo ni sir. Punta daw tayo doon, unhook and then go to that door, sabi niya. Punta tayo doon, i-unhook natin ng truck. Paayos natin, hindi obra eh. Hindi obra yung ginawa ko, bumalik, kaya paayos ko na lang. Mamaya pa naman yung aking delivery, may pagkakataon. Tumaga nitong bagay, preventive maintenance. Kung hindi natin kaya, ipagawa na lang natin yan. Kaya mo ng mekaniko gumawa, mas sigurado. Woohoo! Lagay natin sa continuous para ano. Ate, andito lang naman tayo, diyan lang naman tayo pupunta. Oh. Yeah. Drop airbag. What are you saying? Oh, you have this? Okay,
Yeah.
that's good.
That guy who fixed that thing,
Yeah, I don't know. He only
he don't have that because the Volvo has a different thing.
Oh, Volvo has the different thing. Okay. He fixed it. The cost of the materials, the parts is only $15 for this clamp over here. But I have to buy this thing, the coolant. Ang trabaho nito, oh. Para maibalik din nila agad. Tignan natin para alam natin. Ayun, drain niya doon. Oh, you just put it in there? Okay. Oh, that's how we... Oh, yeah. That's where it goes?
Yeah.
Oh, now I know. Right? That's what it
Yeah.
goes. Okay. Oh, okay. Thank you. At least I don't buy you know. That guy is not good, you know. He bring a lot of gallon of coolant and then refill it, so I have to pay him too much.
Where are you from?
Winnipeg,
No, from originally.
Philippines. You?
I'm from India.
I have a lot of friends Indian.
Yeah.
Yeah. I have a workmate
Because
also Indian.
lot of guys driving truck.
Indian?
Yeah,
Okay.
A
I
lot
know.
of Indian guys driving
Yeah.
truck. But I see like you're a second person which I see like Filipino,
Uh-huh.
like who drive truck.
Okay, okay. Well, there's a lot of Filipino also driving a truck.
Yeah, really?
Yeah, woo. I have one friend over there also is Filipino driving a truck. Okay. Okay lang natin. Oh, ayan. Drain na. Ay, lang pala yun. Oh. Simplicity. Oh, wala na. Bus na. Pag natapos na yun doon, Oh, napalitan na niya. Ang bilis niya. Uy. Kung sana hindi na tumulo. You done? You're so fast to your replace. I never even see it. It's okay. Some of my friend, colleague is Filipino. They're truck driver.
You are busy.
They know me. They know me because they watch my vlog too. You see yourself to here when you watch my vlog too. Lakay Trucker. Tignan natin, sana nga wala nang ano to. Hindi na siya tumulo. Malalaman natin mamaya.
Be careful, buddy.
Eh?
Be careful.
Yeah, I know, right? That's good. Hopefully it's not drifting anymore.
Yeah, I'll try my best.
Dalawa yung nailagay niya. Ilang galon kaya yun? You think how many gallon is that?
This one?
Yeah. 10?
Oh, not that.
Not that much?
No, not that. It's maybe 6.
6 gallon? Okay. Doon dyan malalaman.
We're not gonna put full all the way.
Hopefully, yun lang yung sensor lang ang problema.
You just drip all the time or can you can start it here?
Eh?
You just drop all the time or now it's not dropping?
Yeah, it's not drifting now. We're gonna refill everything.
Yeah.
First, let's see if how it goes.
Then we're gonna see how what happens.
So that we'll see. Oh. Where is the parts that you replace it? May I see? The small thing?
It is inside.
Okay, I'm gonna go check it so that I know which one exactly next time.
On this table.
Table? Okay. Hi. Oh, this is the parts that you replace. Okay. Ito lang guys yung re-replace nila. Ayan. Sana maging okay siya. Yeah. I think that's the only part, right? Hopefully that's the only part.
Yeah.
Cause I don't see anything in there though. I don't see any like the broken or crack.
So sometimes it's not broken or cracked. It just
Did you already have experienced something like that before?
yeah.
That's a lot of time. Oh, okay. How long you been doing this?
1.5 years.
1.5 year?
Yeah.
Oh, you're permanent resident in Canada?
Oh no.
Oh, so you mean you're Lamia?
Not illegal. I'm a student here.
Oh, student.
Yeah.
You're not yet permanent resident? Permanent resident or not yet?
Not yet.
Oh, student, and you know how to pick you make more money. That's a lot.
Not too much money because we don't have enough hours. That's
Oh, no, okay, yeah. Not too much money. Yeah.
yeah, because student only allowed to work here on 24 hours.
Oh, student. You have a limited time for
Yeah.
working. Yeah. But when you get your permanent residence, I'm sure you make more money because you know this already.
Yeah.
So in your country, Indian, what are you doing? This is what you're doing?
Like in my country, I never doing this kind of work.
Oh, you only learn here?
Yes.
Okay. What are you taking in the school right now?
Say it.
Yeah, what are you
Okay, the course.
Oh, what course?
So my course are supply chain now, and the last year I did project management.
Okay. So how come you know how to fix those?
So that.
Oh,
guy-
yeah,
Yeah.
he teach you?
Yeah, he teach me
Okay.
everything.
He teach you mechanic? Okay.
Yes. Like I am helper here. He is a red seal mechanic.
Oh, you're helper and registered mechanic, and then you already encountered this before a lot of time. Okay, that's good. Upo na lang yung boss pala dun. Your boss is just sitting down and the helper doing all the job, right? That's okay. That's
Because
okay.
it's not a big job, that's why.
Oh, it's not a big job. Yeah, I know.
That's why it is.
Hopefully, it's okay now. It's not drifting. It's not drifting
Yeah,
anymore.
it's not drifting.
I see it. Hopefully hindi masyadong mahal ang singil sa akin. Sensor ang pinalitan.
How long you driving a truck here?
Oh, this one for 4 years. Last March 15 this truck because I'm an operator.
No, how long you driving a truck in Canada?
Oh, since 2018.
2018.
Oh,
okay.
yeah.
Almost 6 years, yeah?
Yeah, more than 6 years. Yeah. Done?
Yeah, it's done now.
Okay. Yeah. Hopefully it will
No.
no more. Okay.
Yeah. Now it's not dripping.
Yeah, it's not tripping.
No,
Yeah.
it's not dripping now, yeah?
Yeah, it's not tripping.
Okay, just start the truck, then we're gonna...
See, we'll see. Yeah, okay. Start natin, guys. Patawag si Boss Relon.
May meeting lang kasi kami itong mga palaban namin sa Philippines.
Okay lang pare, pinapaayos ko lang itong truck ko. Magpapag-greasing at mapapa-truck wash din ako.
Nakapagpa-appointment ka ba?
Ay dito, hindi. Kinausap ko kung mayroon silang pagkakataon. Ito dito sa ano. Sabi ko, sige dali mo ang truck mo rito. Pinapaayos ko yung coolant niya. Tawagan kita mamaya.
Magkano pagkapag-racing?
Mumura lang ang pag-greasing dito. Sabihan kita mamaya.
Sige.
Do you also do alignment? No. Okay.
Like
Oh, yeah.
only like tire guys do alignment.
Okay. Oh yeah. Can you wipe it out?
Well, be careful with it. I put the brake cleaner there.
Oh, okay, cleaner, yeah. Ayos na guys. I also have one thing. What about this one? Is I needed to replace this?
No, now I don't think so. What happened? It's leaking or?
Sometimes it leaks.
Okay. I make it tight if you want. I just make it a little bit tight.
Okay, sure. What is this for? By the way, what is this part of the engine?
This is a turbo.
Turbo?
Yeah,
Okay.
this is for air.
Okay. Just a little tight. Wala na.
Okay?
Yeah, I think nothing, no leaking anymore.
Yeah. Not leaking.
Yeah. I'll go get the boss. Pay.
Just leave it like this.
Oh yeah, I will go get my wallet. Wallet. Ah. Hi. Paying now, sir. Hopefully it won't. Hopefully it's not drifting. I'm not gonna leave until afternoon. I'm just gonna stay put
If it's
there.
still leaking, then you have to change the.
Yeah, I will let you guys know. Hopefully that's the only part. It's leaking.
What put name on it?
Lakay Transport.
L.
You want me to write it down? I will write it down so that name of the company is kasi may ano natin sa ano to guys eh
That's okay. Phone number.
there.
I have first forget the how much the sensor.
Kilometer?
No, sensor. It's
Volvo,
Volvo
yeah. BNL 760
2000.
2020 model 2022.
M.
Yeah, 760 2098.
You know last 6 VIN number?
No, I'm going to check. I'll go get, yeah, just VIN number. Andito, vehicle identification number, VIN number 284809. Check ulit natin. Wala nang drip guys, wala na. 284809.
28.
4809 09. Ito yun, pinalitan.
Winnipeg? You're Winnipeg?
Yes, Winnipeg.
How have you done today? Good. 284809. How much is low current running sensor? What is this?
Vlog. I'm doing a video vlog.
Vlog?
Yeah, I'm doing a video vlog for my truck. Yeah.
What?
Video vlog. Vlog. Like you watching videos, something like that. Yeah. You know, some people doing a video vlog a little. Yeah.
They give you money or what?
I'm starting just small. I only get like $60 monthly, enough for my you know, groceries when I go to work again.
$60 per week?
So you're asking about the camera?
No, the camera. You make a blog, right?
Yeah.
They pay you by weekly, so $60. You make $60 by weekly or
YouTube, yeah, I pay $60 monthly. That's it.
you make money $60?
Yeah, monthly. I am not a big YouTuber, you know. I'm just only a small YouTuber.
Have you paid debit Visa?
Visa. You know what? I pay it in my debit card. So that hindi na ako mag-interest dyan. I have to also book an appointment for the greasing. You don't do greasing?
No,
No?
no, because I have a contract.
Oh, okay, sure. Thank you. Have a good day. Okay. Thank you, my friend. Have a good day. Check me in your YouTube, Lakay Trucker.
Okay.
Like right there, like Lakay. That's my name of.
Just post this one.
Oh, okay, guys. If you want to come here, we are a Calgary Car and Truck Wash, lube. I mean truck repair. Yeah. That's not you. Is it you? It's a pre-advertised. Yeah, let's go. I'm just gonna take picture in your thing in there. Right there, truck and loop, no?
No, not that one.
Oh, the boss, a lot of money.
Here we have all the information if you want.
Oh yeah, here.
Yeah.
Hughes Tracking Center, guys. Call 403-207-4177. Hours operation 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. Hours rate 120 hours. G plus GST. Minimum labor 60 plus GST. Ayan. CBIP inspection plus GST. Right there. We are here in Calgary, Alberta, Road King. And this is...
If your subscriber come here, we're gonna give you a discount.
They give us, okay. Just tell it's from Lakay Trucker.
Yeah.
Next time I come here. Thank you. Alright guys, ayun, tapos na. Okay, so bali 171 yung binayaran natin guys. Yung low color sensor replace 65, tapos yung 93 yung kanyang labor. Ayan na. So bali 163, tapos GST 8, tapos ang total 171. So shop supply $5. Ayan. Okay na yun. Ayan guys. Ito yung pinalitan sensor. Nakita natin ha. Pakiramdaman ko lang ito. Kung sakali man may diferensya talaga yung buong tangke o itong reservoir natin ito. Pero so far wala na guys, wala nang drifting sana okay na. Pero papakiramdaman ko pa rin, no? Ayan, sarado natin ang truck. Alright guys, hanggang sa muli natin pagkikita. Ayun, hindi ko talaga kinaya yon. Although ginawa ko naman ng paraan after 2 days. Nag-leak na naman, kaya pinagawa na lang natin dito. Since nandito naman tayo ngayon sa mga nakahanay na mga pagawaan dito, I take this chance. So paano guys, hanggang sa muli natin pagkikita, ingat ka lagi, thank you very much. Peace up, bye bye.
Lakai Tracker.